Hi, just another update on where I've got to with my app. So this time what I want to do is have a reordering mechanism. So I can take this Visual Studio and if I click and hold, I can start dragging this over to game. You can see it's got a kind of translucent color. Over to game, drop it, and that drops there. And if I was to take, say, Firefox and then not hit a target, it will just spring straight back. So that works pretty cool. And just a quick look at what the code looks like for those that are interested. So I've created a component called Draggable UI, and that has a canvas group applied to it. It grabs hold of its transform from the start. It uses the lossy scale on the transform, and that's important because when we do the movement, we need to take that into account. And we grab hold of the canvas group. So we've got a series of event handlers here. So when we start dragging, I just remember the location that we started it, and then use the canvas group to make it go a bit more translucent color, and also stop it having the ray casts, because when we drop, we want to have the droppable area detect where we are rather than the thing you're dragging. Otherwise, it just acts like a shield. So as we drag, we just simply change the anchored position by the event data of the drag. And to make sure that we're scaled properly, we just divide that by the lossy scale. And when we end the drag, we turn off all of our translucent stuff. We return the ray casting back. And then we just test to see if we found a drop target. If we haven't found a drop target, then we just reset it back to location. And then on the drop, so this isn't the object you're dragging, this is the object you've dropped it onto. We just see if the thing that's been dropped on us is a draggable UI. If it is, we can say, okay, now we can say, you found a target. And then we can get hold of the positions and just swap them over. And I've just got this little on drag swap event that just informs whoever cares that we are swapping between these two objects. And that's basically how it works. So it's pretty easy stuff. And let's just check whether our change is taken. Run it back up again. And yeah, they seem to have gone to the right places. Just make sure that let's put that back to there. It's got PowerPoint game only, Visual Studio. Let's just check that they're all same. PowerPoint game only, Visual Studio. Yeah, so it looks like it works. Great. Okay, thanks.